Hello, this is Integrator D, my channel, and in this video we will check how you can integrate voice conversation into your application. So first of all, how I've seen this idea. So OpenAI sent me an email like around a week ago. First product feature that they announced was Realtime API. So if you go to this link, you will see some kind of repository written in JavaScript with the beta API for close to real-time conversation, and yeah, it looks pretty awesome. So here is how you can install it and use. And for the quick start, they recommend to have go with this real-time console. This is a separate repository, and initially when I tried to use it, I've seen some issues. For example, here you can see like 104 comments, and people saw this error that could not connect to the server, but after some time it become public, and everyone can try it now. So it works pretty well, not at the moment, but yeah, a reminder that don't forget please to create a new project. For example, test audio in my case, and new API key, because it was not working with the previous project for some reason. Clone this application. It will include two parts, so you need to set your API key in this .env file, as well as a port for your backend API. So here is how you can start Frontend, npm start. Yeah, and the second one, yeah, so you can see it open in a browser, and I'm restarting my server, npm run relay, so it starts server as well. So yeah, you can see here how we connect sockets. So when we click connect, sockets will be displayed here as well as in UI part. So let's see it in action. Yeah, now.
Hello. How are you today?
Nice start. So you can manually click this button to talk with the assistant, or you can automatically choose this mode, speak with it. You can see messages are reflected here, and also there are two functions to get weather and to save some information to memory. At the moment, I wouldn't say that they are working really well, but you can get the idea. So let me ask for the weather. Hey, please tell me the weather in Amsterdam at the moment.
I'm sorry, it seems like I'm having trouble accessing the weather information at the moment. Is there anything else I can help you with?
So currently you see that it made an API call under the hood, and it receives some information, but for some reason it says that I can't respond to you. But yeah, you can see some data is really coming, so you can improve it and make it more stable, and it should work. Let's try again. Hey, maybe you know the weather in Lisbon?
I'm sorry, but I'm currently unable to access the weather information for Lisbon as well. Is there anything else you'd like to know or talk about?
Yes, please set to memory that I need to ask my subscribers and people who watch my channel to like and comment this video.
It seems I'm having some trouble setting that reminder for you. Would you like me to try anything else?
So you can see that it is not perfect, but it can reflect the reminder, understand it, ask subscribers and viewers to like the comment the video, so it is displayed here, as well as it orients where are the cities that I've asked about, and it can call API. So yeah, for Lisbon it's like temperature like maybe 18 or something. It's close to real situation, but I'm not sure why it's not responding at the moment. Maybe when you will try it, it will work better. And from code perspective, you can see it's really simple. So this is a backend code. Yeah, they use this package, Realtime API beta, that I've showed you initially. And here is how, yeah, so they create a client and use it. And in the front end it's kind of also used. So in this way, real-time client, so they create this instance and yeah, pass API key, and it mentions that it is not recommended to use it in browser. So basically that's the idea, and yeah, you can try it in action. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you soon.